How to export video from PowerDirector. Now in order to export video from PowerDirector, you just simply need to go to the edit that you have completed, or if you don't have one, just simply create a new project or edit. Now I am going into my draft project here, and after coming into this page and finishing edit, you will get to see this export button into the top right corner. Simply tap export, and then after that you can choose resolutions from here, and you can choose Ultra HD with the premium subscription if you have. Otherwise there's no worry, you can still export in full HD without subscriptions. And then you can choose the bitrate to smaller, standard and better quality. Then you can also select FPS for your video, and you can select the save locations such as internal storage and external storage if you have one. Then tap to produce, then it will export the video into your gallery. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.